If you are a business owner, a founder, or a marketer focused on growth, you will eventually face a critical decision. Where should your time, energy, and budget go first? Your website or your social media channels? Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, they all promise reach and attention. But your website promises something very different: structure, authority, and conversion. In this video, I will break down exactly how each channel works, what each one is best at, and most importantly, how to decide where your business should invest first based on its current stage of growth. And if you are looking to take action beyond this video, ProfileTree helps business design high-performance websites, build SEO-driven visibility, and create digital systems that turn attention into real measurable revenue. By the end, you will know whether it is time to build, rebuild, or upgrade your website, or whether your focus should remain on social media for now. Let us begin with your website. Your website is not just another marketing channel, it is your digital headquarters. Social media platforms are, in essence, rented space. You may have followers, but you do not own the platform. The algorithm or the rules that govern visibility, those can change instantly. A professionally built website does things that social media platforms simply cannot match. And I'll list them in 4 ways. Number 1, it gives you full control of your message. Every headline, every visual, every call to action is intentional. There is no algorithm competing for attention. You guide the visitor's journey from interest to action with clarity and precision. Number 2, it converts attention into business results. You see, unlike social media, your website is designed for performance, lead generation inquiries, bookings, and sales. Whether through landing pages, forms, or e-commerce systems, it turns interest into measurable outcomes. Number 3, it builds credibility and trust instantly. A strong website signals legitimacy. It allows you to showcase case studies, testimonials, services, and expertise in a structured, professional format that reassures potential customers. And then finally, number 4, it becomes a long-term business asset. Unlike social platforms that fluctuate, your website is an owned digital asset. When built correctly, it compounds in value through SEO, traffic, and brand authority over time. Here at ProfileTree, this is exactly what we specialize in: building websites that are not just visually appealing, but strategically engineered to generate leads, rank on search engines, and support long-term business growth. Now let us look at social media. If your website is your headquarters, social media is your broadcast network. It is where you reach new audiences, build awareness, and create ongoing engagement. Here is where social media excels. It drives visibility and discovery. With strong content and platform algorithms, you can reach audiences far beyond your existing customer base, often without paid advertising. It creates direct engagement. Comments, shares, messages, and reactions allow you to build relationships in real time. This level of interaction helps humanize your brand. It builds personality and brand identity. Social media is where your tone, culture, and behind-the-scenes story come alive. People connect with people, not just polished service pages. And then finally, it enables rapid testing and iteration. You can test ideas, messaging, and offers quickly. This makes social media an invaluable tool for understanding what your audience responds to. For early-stage brands, social media often becomes the fastest way to gain traction and validate ideas before investing heavily into larger digital infrastructure. The most successful businesses do not choose between website and social media. They integrate both into a single connected system. Here is how that system works. Social media attracts attention and drives discovery. Your website captures that interest and converts it into action. Your CRM or email system maintains the relationship over time. That is the model that consistently produces results: attention, trust, conversion, retention. Here at ProfileTree, we build digital ecosystems that connect these stages seamlessly, ensuring your social content does not just generate views, but leads users into structured, conversion-focused website journeys. Without this integration, businesses often experience high engagement but low return. With it, every platform becomes part of a unified growth engine. So I'm going to make this practical with a simple framework, and I'll break it down into stages. Stage 1, you are building awareness. At this stage, your priority is visible and audience development. Social media is usually your strongest starting point here because it allows rapid exposure and real-time feedback. Your website should be simple, clear, and functional, focused on explaining who you are and capturing basic inquiries or leads. ProfileTree often supports businesses at this stage by creating foundational websites that are ready to scale as traffic increases. And now let's move on to stage 2, where you have attention but not enough conversions. So let's say you have an audience, people engage with your content, but inquiries and sales are not matching that interest. This is usually a website performance issue. At this stage, your focus should shift to optimization. In other words, clear messaging and positioning, stronger calls to action, social proof such as testimonials and case studies, improved user experience, and navigation. And this is where our website optimization and SEO services become critical. As ProfileTree, we turn existing traffic into measurable business outcomes. So reach out to us. And then finally, stage 3. You are generating revenue but want to scale. At this point, both website and social media become growth levers. So think of it this way. Social media expands your reach, your website maximizes conversion and automates processes. So the focus shifts to systemization, and that is landing pages for campaigns, SEO-driven content strategies, lead generation funnels, and finally conversion optimization. And this is where businesses move from simply being online to operating a fully optimized digital growth system. For a more comprehensive plan, reach out to us at profiletree.com. But here's a quick and basic action plan. There are 3 immediate actions based on your stage. Stage 1, maintain consistent social content and ensure your website clearly explains your offering with a simple conversion path. Stage 2, audit your website performance. Focus on clarity, trust signals, and conversion pathways before increasing traffic. Stage 3, integrate your social content with dedicated landing pages and structured funnels that guide users from interest to purchase. So, social media brings people to your business. Your website converts them into customers. If you want to move beyond trial and error marketing and build a digital system that actually performs, ProfileTree can help you design, optimize, and scale your online presence through high-performance websites and SEO-driven strategy. If you found this useful, subscribe for more insights on digital growth or give us a follow for more tips and understanding on web design, marketing strategy, and digital growth. And in the next video, we will break down a real website transformation and show exactly how strategic design changes directly improved conversion rates. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.